I am going to keep this fast. The MSI Katana 15HX 15.6-inch either earns your money or it does not. But here's the thing, I was seriously on the fence about this laptop, folks. The specs looked intimidating, and I didn't want to get burned by a device that promised too much but delivered nothing but mediocre performance. But after putting it through its paces, I'm thrilled to say that my doubts were blown out of the water. So listen, if you're a serious gamer looking for a laptop that can keep up with your most demanding titles, this is it. The Intel Core i9-HX Power is an absolute powerhouse processor, and when paired with the GeForce RTX 5070, it delivers faster load times, higher FPS, and smooth multitasking that's hard to find elsewhere. But what really sets the MSI Katana 15HX apart is its display. Buttery smooth combat, richer colors, and a 165Hz refresh rate make for an immersive gaming experience that'll keep you hooked for hours on end. I mean, when was the last time you played a game that didn't feel like it was running through molasses? This laptop makes games feel like they're happening in real time. And let's not forget about the keyboard and ports for zone RGB customization, highlighted WASD keys, and full game-ready ports make this laptop a joy to use for both gamers and content creators. I've spent countless hours gaming on this thing, and it never fails to impress. Now, here's a scenario where the MSI Katana 15HX really shines. Imagine you're in the middle of a heated gaming session with your friends. The game is getting intense, and you need every advantage you can get. That's when the ray tracing kicks in, delivering stronger effects that make your enemies look like they're actually there. It's a rush, folks. Verdict time. This laptop is a total beast. If you want to dominate your games and never look back, the MSI Katana 15HX is for you. Don't even think about buying it if you're on a tight budget or don't know what you're doing. These specs aren't for the faint of heart. Hit subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. I will keep it straight with you. You will find the link in the description. See you next week.